that we want you to focus on your team. And as a team, you need to create these complementary skills. And by doing, building the prototype, it will help you define what skills do you need to make the team more solid. So usually you'd find there should be a combination between someone in your team who has the business expertise, someone in your team that has the technical expertise, and someone in your team that has the design expertise. And by linking these three together, you can create a good prototype and be able to test it in the market. Okay? Then you should be pitching. You should be going out and talking about your prototype, your idea, like we discussed in the beginning of the session. Keep it short and simple. And this is why when I asked you about the value proposition, how can you turn it into one sentence that really describes it well? And what I want to give you for the next week, I want to give you this challenge and exercise. I'd like you all to post a 30-second pitch about your idea as a video onto our Facebook channel. Okay? 30-second elevator pitch about your idea, talking about the value proposition and the benefit to our customer. And you can do it in whatever way you want. If you want to do it as a presentation and turn it into a video, it's fine. If you want to do it in terms of you speaking, it's fine. If you want to do it in terms of taking people through a prototype, it's fine. Be creative. Do whatever model you'd like. And as a prize, the person that gets the most likes on that video will win an iPad. Okay? So normally it's 1 minute, Hassan is saying. Yes, we've made it 30 seconds. To make it even more focused for you, and so that you can actually get get the message across. All right. So the idea, you can do the prototype in different ways, like we've discussed already. So see which way is the best for you. When it comes to the pitch, you really want to make sure that the pitch is easy for people to understand and very simple and straight to the point, as we said earlier. And the one really good technique to do is to use a story to talk about your business or idea. So try this out. Again, see what makes sense for you, what feels comfortable. But this could be one way in which you can explain your idea about it. So you could, if you're building, let's say, an application that helps students do better in exams or study better, or something like this, you could put it in the context of a story. So there is Ahmad who's studying for his university entrance exams, and Ahmad, like thousands and thousands of students who are doing the same, has this problem. And what we want to do through the app is provide them with the solution to that problem by doing X, Y, Z. So that kind of story helps people understand what you're trying to achieve, and makes it much easier for you to explain the idea. All right, so practice, practice, practice. That is the key thing in your pitch. So the more you can pitch, the better. So Muhammad is asking if you pitch video, you could inside your Facebook page. Yes, so inside the Intel Challenge Facebook page, that's where you should put your pitch. Okay. All right. I'm gonna basically end here. What I didn't want to talk too much about at the moment is sales and networking, but in a nutshell, make sure you're always out there pitching, talking about your idea, trying to sell your idea, trying to sell your prototype, whatever you're working on, and hearing very well feedback from your customers. That is the key thing. And during the coming weeks, especially for those that will be shortlisted, you're going to have a lot of opportunities to network with others and be able to sell your idea and sell your pitch to investors and to possible clients. So we really want to make you prepared, but we'll be focusing on that a little bit more later on.